and peanut allergy. Peanuts are among the most common allergy-causing foods, and they often find their way into things you wouldn't imagine. Take chili, for example. It may be thickened with ground peanuts. Peanuts aren't actually a true nut. They are a legume, in the same family as peas and lentils, but the proteins in peanuts are similar in structure to those in tree nuts. For this reason, people who are allergic to peanuts can also be allergic to tree nuts, such as almonds, Brazil nuts, walnut, hazelnut, macadamias, pistachios, pecans, and cashews. What happens with a nut or peanut allergy? The body's immune system normally fights infection, but when someone is allergic to tree nuts or peanuts, the immune system overreacts to proteins in these foods. Every time the person eats, or in some cases, handles or breathes in a peanut or tree nut, the body thinks the proteins are harmful invaders. The immune system responds by kicking into a high gear to fend off the invader. This causes an allergic reaction in which chemicals like histamine are released in the body. The release of these chemicals can cause someone to have the following problems: wheezing, trouble breathing, coughing, hoarseness, throat tightness, stomachache, vomiting, diarrhea, itchy, watery or swollen eyes, hives, red spots, swelling, a drop in blood pressure. Reactions to food like peanuts and tree nuts can be different. It all depends on the person, and sometimes the same person can react differently at different times. Nut and peanut allergies can cause severe reaction called anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis may begin with some of the same symptoms as a less severe reaction, but then quickly worsen, leading someone to have trouble breathing, feel lightheaded, or to pass out. If it's not treated, anaphylaxis can be life-threatening. Although a small amount of peanut protein can set off a severe reaction, it is rare that people get an allergic reaction just from breathing in small particles of nuts or peanuts. Most foods with peanuts in them don't allow enough of the protein to escape into the air to cause a reaction. And just the smell of food containing peanuts won't produce a reaction because the scent does not contain the protein. In the few cases when people do react to airborne particles, it is usually in an enclosed area like a restaurant or bar where lots of peanuts are being cracked.